redemption is the reality we live in as Jesus followers. Those of us in Christ are redeemed. It means repurchased or bought back. Redemption means winning back what was previously lost. You see, when we sin, we lose. We are separated from relationship with God. We lose our position as child or friend, and we become enemies of God, every one of us, because of our sin. Jesus came, and he lived a sinless life and died a sinner's death to redeem us, to win back what we had lost. Jesus' death and resurrection provide the salvation, the position of being in a right relationship with God that we lost when we sinned. And so when we go back to Luke chapter 7, this sinful woman had been redeemed by Jesus, forgiven by him, and restored to a right relationship with God, something she never thought was possible.